Hey folks, Steve Butler here in the garage. I've talked about this before, but I've never really demonstrated it. Now I have a 6-inch disc and belt sander and I have a 10-inch disc and belt sander. And if you own one of these, you probably own one of these. It's called a crepe block. And when our belts, our sanding belts and pads get all gummed up, we use it to clean it off. Now I don't know about you, but especially after the holidays, I'm on a tight budget. So what I like to do is I go to my local Goodwill, thrift store, Salvation Army store, anywhere that sells clothing next to nothing. And I'll find a pair of shoes. A lot of them are made out of the same material, or pardon me, the soles are made out of the same material. It's called crepe rubber. And what I'll do is I'll buy, it doesn't matter what kind of shoes they are, I'll buy them for $1 or $2, and I cut the soles off. You can see it here. And it's the same material. It's crepe rubber. So I don't have the dust collection set up just because of noise, but what I'll do, you can see that's cleaning it up. It's taking off some of that residue and you'll get some extra life out of your sanding pads. Let's try this one. There we go. It'll see another day. $1, $2 at your local thrift store, Goodwill, crepe rubber. Next time when you go in there, start looking at the shoes or the soles of the shoes. It'll save you some money. All right, I hope to see you back here in the garage.